Assalamualaikum dear students, SDMES Boys English Medium Primary School, peace be upon you all. Here your GK teacher Syed Gulab Shah. Let's start our today's lecture. We had done in last lecture second chapter revision national symbol of India. Now our third chapter some historical monuments of India. Here are some of name given in help box. You have to find out that name and you have to write down their name below. So first picture is Taj Mahal. So you have to write here Taj Mahal. Second one is Hawa Mahal. So you have to write here Hawa Mahal. Third one is Golden Temple. Okay, so here written Golden Temple. Fourth one is Gateway of India. Gateway of India. Fifth one is Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple. Sixth one is intricate door panels of Sidi Syed. This one is in Ahmedabad. Then Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar. This is a picture of Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar. Ninth one is Caves of Ajanta. It is in Aurangabad. Caves of Ajanta. 10th, Baha'i Lotus Temple. See, its shape is like a lotus, that's why we call it Lotus Temple. Char Minar. Char Minar. 12th one is Hanging Minarets. Hanging Minarets. So our third chapter is finished here. Now let's start our fourth chapter. See, picture of some historical monuments are given below. Recognize each picture and write in the blank the correct name of city where the given monuments is located. Choose the name from the box given. See boys, what we have to do here, you have to write down their monuments city name. So like Hawa Mahal, where it is Hawa Mahal? Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. So you have to write here Jaipur. Gateway of India, where is Gateway of India? We all know it is in Mumbai. Third one is Parliament House. Where is the Parliament House? It is in New Delhi. Fourth one is Golden Temple. Where it is? It is in Amritsar. Fifth one is Taj Mahal. Where is Taj Mahal? We all know that is in Agra. Sixth one is Howrah Bridge. Where it is? Howrah Bridge is very famous bridge. It is in Kolkata. Okay. So we also done our fourth chapter over here. You have to only write their city name where monuments is located. So we all done here. Okay, our next chapter. See, fifth chapter, our professional. See, there is so many our helpers here. So you have to write down the name, what they are doing. Picture of some social workers professional are given below. Recognize each picture and write the correct name of the social worker professional in the blank. Choose your answer from box given. Postman, soldier, ticket checker, lawyer, teacher, fireman, nurse and traffic police. Okay, so first of all we have to read some information about that. He delivers our letters, money orders, registers, parcel, etc. Who is this? Postman. Who is this? Postman. He regulates and facilitates the traffic. He regulates and facilitates the traffic. Traffic police. Who is this? Traffic police. Who is this? Traffic police. Third one, C helps the doctor in the treatment of the patient. C helps the doctor in the treatment of the patient. Who is she? She is nurse. Who is she? Nurse. He extinguishes or puts out fire. He extinguishes or puts out fire. Who is this? Fireman. Fireman. He checks the tickets of railway passengers to make sure they have paid the fare. He checks the tickets of railway passengers to make sure they have paid the fare. Ticket checker. Ticket checker. Sixth one, she pleads the case in the court. She pleads the case in the court. Who is this? Lawyer. She defends the border of country. She fights for the country. Who is this? Soldier. Soldier. She teach student at school. Teacher. Here are some exercises given. Match the column A and B. Write the correct number of the column B in the boxes given in the column A. Column A, lawyer, soldier, postman, nurse, fireman and ticket checker. Column B, deliver of letter, parcel, money and money orders. Check the tickets. Pleads the case in the court. Extinguishes or puts out fire. Defend the border of the country. Help the doctor. So lawyer में क्या आएगा? Pleads the case in the court. Second number, soldier. Soldiers defend the border of the country. Soldier defends the border of the country. Postman delivers our letters, parcel, money, orders. So here you have to write one. Nurse. Nurse helps the doctor. Fireman, phone number, extinguishes or puts out fire. Ticket checker, to check the tickets. So we all done over here. Okay. So here our today's lecture is going to finish. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to watch and don't forget to like, press button after watching this video.